Hi everyone, and also hi to our statistic and probability teacher, Mr. Ronald Brian Tiberio, and I am Rojie Mallari.
And I'm Almira Tabas, and for today's video we will talk about, or we will find the mean, standard deviation, and constraint bell curve using the survey that we gathered to our friends to answer, and that is all about how many hours do you spend using social media. So without further ado, let's go!
With this result, let's first calculate the mean and standard deviation. To do so well, need to create a 6-column table with the first column containing X, which contain the mean values of the group data, and the second column containing the F, which contain the frequency. In the third column, we'll multiply the mean and standard deviation.
Before moving on to the fourth column, we will first calculate the mean by dividing the total number of datasets in the third column by the total number of datasets in the second column, which we will find in our data. As the mean progresses to the fourth column, we will subtract the mean from the data values. Then, in the fifth column, we will simply square the result of the fourth column. Then for the final part, multiply the previous column by frequency, add up a column now to get the standard deviation. We will divide the total values of the 6th and second columns, then get its root, and for the result,
let's use this formula to calculate the standard deviation. The population standard deviation equals the square root of f times the quantity of x minus the population mean raised to 2 over, and then substitute. We get the square root of 340 over 30 equals 3.37.
And now that we have the mean 4.9, we can round it up to 5 and to the standard deviation, which is 3.37, and also let's round it up to 4. We can make the bell curve now. We'll use the formula z equals x minus the population standard deviation to obtain the number that corresponds to x equals 9. Let us now substitute our provided 9 minus 5 over 4 equals 4 over 4 or 1. According to the illustration, an x equals 13 corresponds to a z equals 1 above the mean. As a result, the time of 13 hours is above average when compared to a norm.